Hi, Cyber World. It's Miss BB with another video. I know it's been a hot minute, but I just wanted to take the opportunity to say Happy New Year for those watching around the new year. I know today's the 11th, but I am going to start a new health journey. I've kind of already started, but I wanted to let you know what I'm going to be doing. So this is 2021, and I'm going to be starting a 21-day glow up challenge. And so my first week on the what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to have some goals for the week, and then every week after that I'm going to increase my goal until I can kind of get where I want to be. So for this first week, I'm going to exercise a minimum of 3 days a week. I'm going to drink a minimum of 5 glasses of water. And also, a major thing I'm going to be doing is to try to break the habit of going out to eat. That is my major problem. As everyone is aware, we have been during 2021 and even now going through a pandemic, and I put on 20 pounds, a little bit over 20 pounds, just from snacking, being at home, not really doing anything. I canceled my gym membership. And so this 21-day glow up challenge is to kind of ease myself back into, losing weight and exercising and all of that. So this first week also, as a way to break myself from eating out, I purchased this Nutrisystem box. And this is the belly buster, which that is something new. In the past, I have purchased Nutrisystem before, the box. It was just like a generalized one. They have now, I guess, kits that are more geared to, like, your body type. And they have the Power Lean, they have the Slim Balance, and the Belly Buster kit. So today is day one, and I am hungry. I had lunch, I had my snack, and now it's dinner time. But I kind of want to go through this box really quick to kind of let you know. The kit cost about $40, and it has 5 days worth of food. And then you also are to add in some fresh vegetables and other snacks and things. In the past, when I've done this, I've lost, the first time I did this, 7 pounds. And then the second time I did it, I lost 5 pounds. And so I'm able to lose weight. The food is, some of it is good and some of it is not so good. So like for lunch today, I don't have it near me, but it was like a little cup of 3 cheese chicken pasta, and I ate that with some broccoli, and I ate with a cup of broccoli, and so it kept me, and then I had a Slim Fast half of a shake, because this is whole thing is to replace a meal. I only had half of it for a snack about an hour and a half later after lunch. So in this kit, um, like they let you know, they label it as lunch. So this is white bean chicken chili. That's one of the meals. This is breakfast. It is Nutri cereal. Um, Also, I'm just going to give you one. And then here it also has this. I think I'm going to eat this for dinner, which is the chicken pasta parmesan. Um, and this is 200 calories. I think lunch was probably near 200 calories. So for me, because of my weight, I can add in a little bit extra, stuff, because I'm not going to hit anywhere near what my calories should be, for the day. And I don't want to take my calories down too low. But it also comes with a booklet that gives you a plan, the meal plan. It talks about the servings, like extra vegetables that you you should eat. It says one serving is half a cup cooked or 1 cup raw, and it also talks about the power fuels. So it gives you the other things that you can purchase. And when I purchased this, I thought it was like the last one the box that I purchased. They included snacks. So this box does not include snacks. The difference in this is that it has like this edamame power bowl, which I guess that's the thing now. The power bowl, quinoa, different grains, and it didn't have that. This also the creamy cauliflower and chicken. This is a lunch that's different. So, something that has been there in the past is the marinara meatballs. So I'll be eating this with. I'm gonna get some zucchini and make some zoodles with this. So I weighed myself, and in the next video I will if not the next video, at the end of the 5 days I will weigh myself again, and I'll put a picture of my before and after. So I know that I'll probably lose weight eating this way, but the main thing for me is to break my habits, because I used to eat out maybe once or twice a day. Now I've been going out like 3 times a day eating out, which is not good, not only not for your pocketbook but for the waistline. So I feel like with this, because it has snacks, it has morning snack, afternoon, and the evening snack. You can kind of keep, you're not gonna stay full, but you won't be ravenous to where you would want to eat bad. So I have to go back to the store because I need some snacks. I didn't buy any snacks because I assumed it came with the box. So that's the only thing that I will. But I do have some vegetables. I have some spinach, some broccoli, which I'm going to eat the rest of the broccoli that I ate for lunch, or a cup of broccoli. Let's see. I have salad. So that's some other things. I have some almonds that I'll be adding in. So that's something. And I also have some. They talked about some Greek yogurt, and I just got regular yogurt. So you can also do some power fuels. Um, they have their own things that you can purchase, and that will make it easier. They have their own Body Select probiotic shake and snacks, so that you don't have to think. And that's the thing that attracted me to this. Some of the other, fresher foods, I know it probably has a lot of, carbs, or a lot of different things, sodium or whatever. But for me, what are the odds? I'm eating, McDonald's and Chick-fil-A and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just kind of trading for 5 days, this, and then I will transition over to making my own food. So I've done it before. I was successful doing it, and then I also wasted, because this is not the tastiest food. Like I said earlier, some of it's good, some of it's nasty. So but I'm going to commit to doing this. In the first week, it's 5 days, but I'm committing, the first week of the 21-day glow up challenge. So I challenge you to join in whatever goals that you have set for yourself. I'm also going to do a goal of, I'm trying to declutter my house, and so every day, try to pick up 5 things and decide if I'm going to keep it or give it away. Also reading my Bible every day that I don't go to church or have a church service. Make sure that I read through my Bible. I had a chronological Bible that I bought years ago, and I still haven't made it through. I've read through the Bible before, but I wanted to go in a chronological. So this challenge, whatever area of your life that you're interested in improving, you can do it. Just make sure that this goal is a SMART goal, that is specific goal, that is measurable, that is attainable during the time frame, that is realistic, and it's timeable for T. So that's what a SMART goal is. So like for one of my goals, I want to exercise. That's what I want to do. Win 3 days a week. Is it realistic? Yes. Um, and then next week I'll be adding an extra day. So next week I'll do 4 days, and the next week I'll be drinking 6 cups of water. So that's how I'm going to do it. So I'll be doing weekly check-ins. So put down in the comments below, what are some areas that you're looking to improve? What are some of your goals that you would like to work on during this challenge? So that's it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.